First, you should ensure that you have all of the components necessary to set up your classroom. You will need the following: a ConfTel, which acts as the speakers and microphone for your session, the USB cable to connect the unit to the computer, a combination phone power cable, and at some campuses you will also have remote microphones. First, attach the power supply to the power cable. Then, remove the bottom cover by pressing the clip and pulling up on the cover with your finger. Plug the power cord into the bottom of the ConfTel first, and then into an available wall outlet. If prompted, select your region, date, and time. If there is a phone jack in the classroom, plug the phone cable into the analog port on the bottom of the unit and then into the wall. Please note that there may not be an active phone jack available in all classrooms. If you have an expansion microphone, plug one end of the cable into the microphone and the other into the jack on the bottom of the ConfTel. Now, close the cover by pressing the clip and pushing down. Turn the unit over and plug the USB cable into the side of the ConfTel and then into an available USB port on your computer. The first time you connect the unit, the driver should install automatically. On the ConfTel keypad, push Line Mode and ensure that USB is selected. Then press OK. Now, ensure that the ConfTel is the selected device for speakers and microphone on your computer by opening the playback and recording devices. These tabs can be found by going to the Start menu, opening the Control Panel, and then selecting Sound. The ConfTel will have a check mark next to it. If the ConfTel is not already set as the default device, click the ConfTel and choose Set Default. On the Playback tab, the speakers can be tested by right-clicking on the ConfTel option and choosing Test. You should hear a tone play through the speakers. If the tone isn't loud enough, you can adjust the volume by using the volume up-down options on the ConfTel keypad or clicking the speaker icon in the taskbar. Test the microphone by switching to the Recording tab. Again, the ConfTel should have a check mark next to it. If it does not, click the ConfTel device and choose Set Default. Press the green phone button on the ConfTel, which should illuminate blue lights on all sides of the unit, and on the expansion microphones if connected. Begin speaking. If the microphone is working correctly, green bars indicating your volume level should appear next to the ConfTel on the Recording tab. Red lights under the ConfTel indicate that the unit has been muted. Press the circle/button to unmute.